Alright, today we're going to evaluate the, this is a 2015 Camaro V6, and we're evaluating the full catback system. So this is everything after the catalyst has been replaced with the MRT 2.5-inch 304 stainless steel exhaust system featuring the version 1 mufflers. So this has a full, deep, aggressive street performance sound. Let's go give it a listen. And by the way, this is in a convertible, so our system does fit with the convertible bracing as well as the coupe. So just doing mild driving, city driving, we get a good amount of exhaust presence as we're accelerating. It's not harsh. It does have some resonance or body boom presence, but not on a objectionable scale. It's there, but we haven't achieved annoying yet. In just steady state, driving at normal city speed, you just have a nice whir in the background. Nothing too alarming, too obnoxious. Sounds good. Okay, so now we're going to do a little more accelerated performance acceleration. Okay, so when you go wide open throttle, absolutely got to call the wild performance sound. It is about as deep a sound as a V6 can be made to sound. So if you want that deep sports car performance sound, that's what this exhaust system is built to do. Alright, so now we're going to do some highway evaluation. Right now we're under mild load going uphill at about 70 miles an hour and 2,400 RPM. And we had probably a resonance presence of about a 3 out of 10, which makes it present but not obnoxious, not painful. Now that we have no longer going uphill, we picked final drive, so now we're in overdrive. We're about 1,900 RPM, and I'd say the drone or resonance is down to about 1.5 or 2. It's there in the background. It's not making you crazy. It's not making you have to yell over it. We have a little more exhaust presence than we do road noise and ambient noise, so you can tell that you now have a performance exhaust. You kick it down, and by the way, accelerates pretty well for a 6-cylinder, but the exhaust presence takes over, and you hear the performance sound of the new performance exhaust system. So as far as loudness, I'm going to give this system probably about a 9 out of 10. This is about as loud as you're going to make your V6 exhaust.